Hi guys, I'm in kindergarten and today I'm going to read, Hello cat, you need a hat. Oh look, just look. Your head is bare. I have some hats that you can wear. Come over here, I'll give you some. I do not want one. Hats are dumb. I have rain hats. Hats for sun. You'll never catch me wearing one. Hats for cold with fur and earring. Monkey hats for getting monkey. Hats with nets for getting honey. Try this hat. You really should. If I wanted to, I would. Hats to swim in. Hats to hide in. Hats to be green and bright in. You may have this hat. You may. I do not want it. Go away. Bands wear hats. Police do too. Teens wear hats. Why can't you? Hats for cowgirls. Hats for knights. Hats for welding. Hats with lights. Hats with things, hats with spin tanks, hats they give you when you win things. I never spin, I never win, and I want nothing on my chin. Hats for crowning, hats for clowning, hats for cooking. I'm not looking. Bat hats, mouse hat, witch hats too. If witches wear them, why can't you? Fire hats are the best of all. The way they make the water fall. Have one of your own. Get out of here. Leave me alone. Have a helmet hat instead. A helmet hat protects your head. Can't you hear me? No, I said. Astronauts wear hats in space. Jockeys wear them in a race. This one I know will look just right. I think we are going to have a fight. Oh no, don't fight. I'll stop. I will. Come on, we'll sit up on the hill. Do you mean it? Yes, I do. I will not mention hats to you. Oh, look. Just look. Your feet are bare. I have some shoes that you can wear. I'll give you some. Come over here. Excuse me while I disappear. Thanks for watching. Bye.